In this video, I'm going to show you an amazing course for how to learn affiliate marketing using YouTube, so stay tuned.
Hey guys, so if you're trying to get started with YouTube affiliate marketing, you want to go to Entre Institute and take their Affiliate Millionaire Accelerator course. So as you can see, there's check marks all over the place, and I've taken this course, and it's an amazing course. For YouTube specifically, you're going to learn how to create your own YouTube channel, how to set it up properly, how to upload videos with proper SEO, and then you're going to learn all the ranking factors that go into getting your videos to rank #1 on search. The instructor of the course is Jesse Sigg. Jesse has started 7-figure earning online businesses. He's very successful, he's a very good teacher, and I've taken his courses and his coaching, and I highly recommend that you go take his course too. If you click the link in my description, you're going to get exclusive access to the course and much more. You can start learning from Jesse and a ton of other really successful entrepreneurs from Entre Institute. So just looking through some of this stuff, if you look at, let's just say, ranking factors, you can see even with this thumbnail, so you're going to learn about high retention views, how many videos a week that Jesse does, likes, shares, and comments, and how important they are to the algorithm, views, how the first 24 hours is really important, and all about backlinks. So he takes you through one of his really successful videos that went viral. So he was talking about how to sell on eBay for beginners step by step, and he optimized it for search, as well as he got it to go viral because it was a trending topic, it picked up, and it was able to be shared with a ton of people. With the proper ranking tools and the proper keyword research, as well as the proper setup and advice from a mentor like Jesse, you can crush it with YouTube. I've taken all his advice, and I gotta say, he is an amazing instructor. And Entre Institute has completely changed my view of entrepreneurship and completely changed my life. If you want to take his course and you want to learn how to accelerate yourself to be making millions online, then you should click the link in my description on how to get to Entre Institute. There's an exclusive offer there just for you, and if you click that link, you'll be able to access that offer.
Along with learning how to use YouTube for affiliate marketing, you need to learn how to create a sales funnel, how to drive traffic, how to split test, and much more. There's so much that goes into affiliate marketing. Sometimes it's hard to keep track of it all. I've been there. I've had so many struggles with starting with affiliate marketing, and at times I just wanted to give up, but then I knew it was really worth it, so I stuck it through. When I got started, I wish I had a step-by-step guide that could help me fast-track my success online and help start generating sales in no time. What if I told you I had that exact guide just for you for free? Well, the good news is I do. If you go to drewbusinessaccelerator.com, you can learn how to start your affiliate marketing business in no time. You can learn how I was able to start a successful online business, start generating sales, and so I can live a passive income lifestyle and spend more time with my friends and family. You'll learn how to tap into affiliate networks, how to create compelling offers, how to do keyword research, how to create content, and much more. Go to drewbusinessaccelerator.com/freedom. There's a link at the top of the description. Click that and let's get started with your business. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, hit that like button, jump on that subscribe button, and slap that notification bell so you don't miss a single video from me. There's a video right after this one. I can't wait to see you in that one. Peace out.